So hi guys, welcome back to another video on AJ5. So in today's video we're going to be focusing on this cryptocurrency called REEF. So we're going to be doing a price prediction for short term as well as long term, so for early 2022 / late 2021 and also 2025 to 2030 for those of you who are holding it long term. We will also be going through some recent news on REEF as well as what it's about, what REEF does, and what cryptocurrency is. So obviously different cryptocurrencies have different uses, so we're going to be looking at the uses of REEF. So let's quickly go through its value. At the moment it is at 2 pennies per coin, that is in pounds, and let's have a look in dollars. In dollars it is at just above 3 cents per coin. So mainly we're going to be focusing on the percentage increase or decrease in the past few weeks and months. So as you can see, the past hour has gone up 1.99%. In the past 24 hours it has gone down 13.58%, which is quite a lot for 24 hours, a whole day. Let's have a look at the weekly one. It has gone down 15.21% for the past week, and the main one, which is the past month, I usually look at the past month because the yearly one you can't really tell, it's not very neat. The monthly one, it gives you a clear picture of how it's been doing. As you can see the little dips and peaks and the high peaks and the big dips as well. So let's quickly have a look at the market cap. So that's 272.1 million pounds. That's the market cap. The volume in the last 24 hours is 51.5 million pounds, and the circulating supply is 11.3 billion REEF coins. So obviously REEF is only supported by a certain trading platforms and it's not supported by Coinbase. It is only supported by a certain trading platforms, which I will be going through later on in the video. So let's have a look at REEF and what it's about. So this is the REEF website. I'm not going to go in full detail, however I will be just doing a recap on it. So as you can see here on the main screen, REEF is now on Binance. So Binance is one of the trading platforms where you can buy REEF or invest in REEF. So DeFi made easy, the gateway to DeFi through liquidity and protocol aggregation, proprietary analytics and multi-chain accessibility, powered by Polkadot. So you've got the investors of REEF, you've got the ecosystem here. REEF gets liquidity from everywhere, both CEXS and DEXS. Why REEF? Liquidity problem, yield problem, fragmentation problem. So if you want to read in full details, pause the video and you can read it here, but I'm not going to go through all of it as it's going to be way too much for the video and it's going to be way too long. So this is the main part. What is REEF? REEF is a smart liquidity aggregator and yield engine that enables trading with access to liquidity from both SEX and DEX, whilst offering smart lending, borrowing, staking, mining through AI-driven personalized REEF yield engine. So that is basically what REEF is. Why did you choose to build on Polkadot? So guys, you can pause it and read it. I'm not going to go through all of that as this video will be way too long once again. So yeah, if you guys want to visit the website, they've got their blog and so on. They've got their FAQ, roadmap, light paper. So yeah, for more information, do visit their website if you guys are interested. But if you only came here for the price prediction, then that will be done later on in the video. But just before that, I'm just going to go through some recent news on REEF and what's been said about REEF and what's been going on with REEF. So here we have, once again, on this website called FX Street. I always use this website. They have very up-to-date and reliable information. No, this is not a sponsored video by FX Street, but yeah. REEF Finance price plummets after Alameda Research discredits allegations about $20 million investment. So REEF Finance announced that Alameda Research invested $20 million. Unfortunately, it seemed that this deal was cancelled by REEF's team, which also behaved unprofessionally, according to Alameda. Sam Trabucco, a quantitative crypto trader for Alameda Research, made a rant on Twitter against REEF. So the value may have dropped after this because he clearly says that REEF's team also behaved unprofessionally. So back on March the 12th, which was just about 2 weeks ago, REEF Finance announced that Alameda Research invested $20 million into REEF, becoming a significant stakeholder. Obviously, if you've put in $20 million into a crypto, you're obviously going to be a significant or major stakeholder. Additionally, the announcement also stated that Alameda was a partner and collaborated collaborator with REEF Finance. The announcement was partially not true, according to Alameda. According to Sam Trabucco, a quantitative crypto trader for Alameda Research, the platform had a bigger deal than $20 million with REEF, but it was cancelled by REEF Finance. Trabucco also stated that Alameda is not affiliated with REEF in any way and does not endorse REEF. So I won't be going through the whole thing here. So as you can see, REEF Finance price takes a dive but remains bullish in the long term. So that obviously, as you can see here, the dip was due to this news. But if you guys do want more information, here is the title. If you go on the FX3 website, you would get more information. So back to the graph. There are not much recent news on REEF because it's basically been dipping ever since, for about, let's say, 2 weeks. So since March the 15th, which is 10 days ago, it has been dipping, and more and more, as you can see, the past week as well, it has gone down quite majorly, 15.29%. However, it is just about a plus in the past month, but I feel like in about a few days this will turn into a minus. So is this a good time to invest? Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think. Are you guys going to jump onto REEF now because you know the price is going down, so it may be a good time to invest? We will be going through what I think, my predictions, very soon in this video. Before I get into any predictions or say anything about investments, I just want to let you guys know that I am not a financial advisor, and this is no financial advice. So make sure you do your own research and your own reading before you invest any of your money into this cryptocurrency or any crypto, because any losses or gains you guys make, I am not responsible. So be sensible with what you do. Do your research, do your reading. Don't just listen to any of your friends or families or any YouTuber tell you that it's going to go up 100% next week and put all your money into it, because these are my predictions are according to my own opinion, my research which I have done, and my technical analysis which I have done using my own indicators, using the graphs. So let's get straight into the predictions, which most of you may have been waiting for. So I'm going to do the predictions first for the short term. So we're talking about late 2021, early 2022, which is just about 10 to 14 months from now as I'm recording this video. And my predictions are that at the moment it is currently worth 2 pence. That is in pounds, obviously. I feel like in about 10 to 14 months it has the potential, the highest potential, to reach about 25 to 30 pence per coin. So from 2 pence to 25 to 30 pence in the next 10 to 14 months, which is a very huge increase if you look at it in percentage wise. And in dollars, that would be about, let's say, 35 to 38 cents. That is in dollars. So at the moment it is worth just over 3 cents. So yeah, this is according to my predictions for the short term. I know that most people who hold crypto are in it for the long term rather than the short term, but there are a few people who buy the dips and sell, you know, just to make that quick money. But however, you have to take into account the fees that are included when you buy and sell. Sometimes they charge you for holding it as well, depending on what trading platform you use and what cryptocurrency you invest into. So these are my predictions for short term, so let's say 10 to 14 months. And now let's move on to the long term. So before I move on to the long term, I just want all of you guys to go down and hit that subscribe button, because I'm trying to reach 4,000 subscribers by April 2021. So it will mean a lot if you guys could just go down and hit subscribe and also like the video. I'm trying to hit 75 likes on this video, so I know you guys can do it. So go and smash the like button. Also, let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think of my prediction for the short term. Do you guys agree with me, or do you guys think it will go beyond that, or do you think it has no potential to reach that amount? So now on to the long term. Looking at the long term, let me know what you guys think, but now I'm going to let you guys know my predictions. So long term, I mean next few years, next 5 to 10 years, let's say 2025 to 2030, as well as 2024 to 2027, let's say. So my predictions, obviously, when you're looking at it in long term, is much different to how you're looking at it in short term, only because short term is much easier, much more accurate to predict rather than long term, because there are a lot of factors to consider when you predict it for the long term. Cryptocurrency might be the next currency that everyone uses. So if that is the case, then the price of REEF, as well as every other cryptocurrency, will literally blow up in the next 5 to 10 years. However, if cryptocurrency does take an L, and falls downwards and keeps dipping, then all the cryptocurrencies will start decreasing in value, not just REEF but all cryptocurrencies. So that is why it's quite difficult to predict in the next 5 to 10 years, just because you never know what's going to happen. For example, Elon Musk can tweet something regarding REEF in the next 10 days and the value will literally go up. So prediction wise, when it comes to cryptocurrency, you can predict it for short term, so 2021, early 2022. However, for long term, when it comes to 2025 to 2030, it is predictable. However, you can't really rely on it. It's not 100 or even 75% accurate, just because you never know what's going to happen in the next 5 to 10 years. But let me go through my predictions for the next 5 to 10 years. So I feel like, looking at its graph, it has a very huge potential, especially the uses that it has. Like I showed you in the website earlier, I feel like it will reach about £1.20, £1.25. That is, I think it has the potential to reach that, the highest potential it has. However, it could be way less or way more, but these are my predictions on what I think. And in dollars, that should be, if I'm correct me if I'm wrong in the comment section down below, but £1.20 in dollars would be approximately about $1.35 to $1.40. Again, it's better to double check that on Google. And yeah, so these are my predictions. However, when it comes to long term, it is not as accurate as it is for short term. But yeah, guys, that is pretty much my predictions. Let me know what you guys think, or any suggestions you have on REEF in the comment section down below. Do you guys think it's going to go way higher, way less, or do you agree with me? And yeah, that's basically my predictions on REEF. We have gone through the recent news and what REEF is all about. But yeah, if you guys want to add anything, let me know in the comment section down below, and I will pin your comment if your comments are very useful. But yeah, guys, that is pretty much it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave it a like. I'm trying to hit 75 likes on this video, so go and smash the like button. I'm also trying to hit 4,000 subscribers by the end of April 2021, and once I reach 4,000 subscribers, I will be revealing my full portfolio on cryptocurrency. And yeah, share it with your friends and families who may be interested in cryptocurrency. And yeah, comment down below any suggestions you may have for my next few videos, as I am taking all my comments and seeing what people are interested in and making videos based on that. So if you guys want me to have a different cryptocurrency in mind and want me to make a video on that, let me know in the comment section down below and I will do that. But yeah, guys, that is pretty much it. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, comment, and all of that. Also follow me on Instagram, AJ_FIVE and then 5. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Take care and peace.